Hello everyone. If your Word document has too many unwanted spaces, you can remove them all at once. Manually removing extra spaces can be very difficult, especially when you're working with a large document. Instead of checking every line one by one, let Microsoft Word find and replace all the unwanted spaces for you. First, open your document and go to the Home tab. Click Replace on the right side. In the Find What box, type the caret symbol followed by W. In the Replace with box, enter one single space. Now click Replace All. Word will instantly replace all unwanted spaces with a single space throughout the document. That's it. A quick and easy way to clean up your Word document. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications. Thanks for watching.